Traditionally in Ireland, the poets come from the south, the music makers from the north. In the north, one of the country's greatest singing pubs, Leo's Tavern.
I just called in to see you all. I'll only stay a while. I want to see how you're getting on. I want to see you smile. I'm happy to be back.
This is Leo Brennan. You never know who you're going to bump into in his bar. Tourists, fishermen, pop stars.
Little Mickey Mulligan, get up to show them how.
Not little Mickey Mulligan at all, it's Bilshy Travers, a playboy of the Western world. Now, Leo Brennan has been making music in his quiet little corner of Donegal for many years. All his family have inherited his musical talent. Leo Brennan is the father, the figurehead of an international musical dynasty that includes Clannad and the lovely Enya.
Up, down, hand around the cross to the wall. On with the gaiety and fill the flute ball.
The gold and the platinum discs crowd the walls and push aside the pub's mirrors.
Oh, hadn't we the gaiety and fill the flute?